Hello everyone and welcome back to EV Wanderer. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who has watched my previous videos. Every view, every comment and every bit of support means a lot to me. Today, I'm happy to share one of the best charging experiences from our journey through Austria. Not every charging stop has to end with problems. Sometimes everything works exactly as expected, and that's worth sharing too. This time we stopped at IONITY Ansfelden near Linz, Austria. From the moment we arrived, the experience was calm and stress-free. There were plenty of available chargers, not because some were out of service, but simply because the station wasn't busy at that time. Plug and charge worked perfectly. We simply connected the car, waited a few moments, and charging started automatically. Another thing we really appreciated was the location. With McDonald's and KFC just a short walk away, drivers can enjoy a proper break while their vehicles are charging. Small details like these make long EV journeys much more comfortable. We had a very similar experience at IONITY Kaiserwald near Graz. Both charging stations offer modern infrastructure and are excellent places to stop during a long trip across Europe. Of course, as more people switch to electric vehicles, charging networks will continue to grow and improve. Based on our experience, I can honestly recommend both of these IONITY locations, and yes, I would definitely stop here again. I'm EV Wanderer. Drive safely, respect each other and respect the places we visit. See you in the next video.